All right, we are allegedly live. I can see it on my phone. I just got a live now, so let me check that out and see my one to. Oh, turn this off. There is. How do I? Let's see if this works. Is it gonna register? Boom. It's me. Although I can't. Let's see if I can chat on this thing. Chat. Live chat. Hello. I'm my only fan.
I'm your fan too.
Yay, she's my fan. There it goes. Okay, I think it's live. Kim and I were trying to troubleshoot this. Some things that we changed today is I am streaming from a profile on my Chrome browser that is one I'm more used to. And then we also made sure that I close as many apps as possible. So speaking of that, I'm going to close my message. No VPN. Check my upload speeds, and I made sure the stream settings is normal latency. And I tested it a minute ago. So hopefully we have good things coming today to everybody. Welcome back. It is Thursday, August 28, 2025. Let me share my screen. Kayla is currently editing her shorts, so please go and watch those. She brings to you 5 pieces of news every day in short format. And I think next week we're going to start producing 1 long video per week. Yeah, so let's share my screen. I think eventually I'm going to add this to my list, like I'm not a coder, so I want to figure out how to run HTML on my browser. So maybe ChatGPT can teach me that today. We can ask that to see running HTML code on browser. Add that to my list. Today I want to talk about a few things. Let's do the standard stuff here. I wanted to try chat polls and chat challenges, although I don't know how to. Let's see if we can do that. Okay, we can do that. And then we can do running HTML code, and maybe let's try new AI today. I'm gonna try Gemini because we've been using GPT. Actually, let's just start there. So let's go to Gemini AI. Does that work? Let's see if that works. Sponsored. Let's have Google. I wonder if Google actually charges itself for ads. That's very meta or very Google. I'm just reading myself. Okay. Anyway. Today is August 28, 2025. Let's see how this does. Actually, we should start doing this on the different AI chats and see how we like them. Allegedly, I think Gemini has the best LLM per a lot of standards. So let's find out. Let's find out, shall we? Wow, that was pretty quick, actually. Oh my God, that happened like a split second. Okay. Maybe GPT has some competition that's less than. Oh, look at that. This literally came out in like a split second after I clicked enter, and GPT takes like seconds. All right, let's see what it says. Let's see what I'm kind of excited now. Maybe we're gonna have to move over to a different, and then tomorrow we'll try like Grok and Perplexity and Claude. All right. Actually, while we're at it, let's just go ahead and start a poll. Maybe we'll say ask question. What AI platform do you use the most? Okay, and then I'll add some options. We'll go. Let's be Gemini. Google. Let's go Google Gemini. Gemini. Let's go. Open AI ChatGPT. We can add Grok, and we can add Perplexity. All right. Start the poll. Start the poll. Vote now. How does this work? Oh, okay. What poll? And I'm going to vote for myself. ChatGPT. Let's see if it registers the poll. Oh, there you go. ChatGPT. All right, let's see what this guy says here. I did enjoy how quickly that thing came out. So let's probably run a few more prompts after this. Okay, stream opening, cold open. In a shocking twist, an AI just wrote the world's most popular new video game character, and people are arguing over whether or not it's cheating. Beginner explainer. This is a big deal because it shows AI isn't just for text anymore. It's creating full-on creative assets and shaking up the entertainment industry. Open loop teaser, but that's not the weirdest part. Later in the show, I'm going to show you a free tool that uses AI to turn your scribbles into pro-level drawings instantly. Audience activation. Before we dive in, let me know in the chat what's the latest creative thing you made, AI-powered or not. Let me know below. Okay, so what's the news? A new AI-powered prosthetic arm gives amputees a sense of touch. Is this what it said earlier? I don't know. Okay. Researchers at the University of Cambridge have developed a bionic arm that uses... Where'd it go? That uses sensors to send feedback directly to the brain, allowing the user to feel pressure and texture in real time. Why this matters? This is a huge leap forward for medical technology. It's not just about giving people a back a limb. It's about restoring a part of their nervous system. Let me know in the poll, would you trust an AI to control your prosthetic limb? Link to source. I'll drop the link, the full setting after the show. No, well, you should have just dropped it there, but okay. Boom. All right, trending AI tool, what it does. This tool is called Scribble Diffusion. Let you turn your messy doodles into beautiful and refined images with a click of a button. Go to Scribble Diffusion website. So let's try that. Boom. Okay. Draw something on a simple canvas. Okay, let's try it. Start scribbling. Let's do it. Please fill out the field. Scribble Diffusion turns your sketch into a refined image. Get your, I don't know what this is. What kind of craziness is this? I guess you need, can I not start scribbling? Okay, that's a hindrance. I need to get an API token, something. So that's already downside there. Type a short prompt describing what you drew. Okay, that didn't work. Okay. Beginner AI concept, how it works. Simple explanation, a large language model, Google probably heard me, is basically an AI that has read a giant portion of the internet, from books to blogs to social media posts, so it can understand patterns and create human-like text on its own. Fun analogy, think of it like a student who has studied for 1 billion years for a single test. It's read so much that it's just not repeating things. It's learned how language works on a fundamental level and can write its own original essay. Real world example, when you use Google to finish your sentence or type out a text message on your phone, you're using a simple, that's a good real world example. Myth busting moment. A lot of people think these AIs are alive or conscious, but they're not. They're just incredibly complex prediction machines. I did not know that either. Visual idea. Hold up a ridiculously thick old school textbook and pretend it's the internet. Okay. Engagement hook. Be honest. Did you think it was more complex than that? Drop yes or no, blah, blah, blah. Rehook teaser in a second. I'll tell you tomorrow's weird story to look out for. While we're at that, let's do the next thing we want to do today, which was chat polls and chat challenges. Let's try the other one. So this one is, I did a poll. Let's do a Q&A. And let's do the same thing that Gemini is asking us. So boom, let's add this here. Q&A, start Q&A. And then let's see if that does something. All right, ask something. What does this do? I'm going to be on my phone asking myself something. Where's the question? Be honest, did you think, ask something? Okay. I guess that's just like a question that stays up there. No. All right, I'm going to chop that. All right, blah, blah, blah. Closing in growth, mini recap. So today we covered how an AI is creating popular video game characters, a new bionic arm that can feel things, and how your doodle can become a work of art. We did not see this newsletter. I didn't see any sources. We did see this one, the bionic arm, and we did not see how it can doodle become a work of art. Tease tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we're going to dive into a wild new AI that can create music that's completely indistinguishable from a human DJ. I need to know what that is. If you know one friend who's always talking about AI or curious about it, send them the stream. They'll thank you for it. If you had fun today, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss tomorrow's update on that crazy AI music tool. All right, so that's that. Let's try this. Can you code me a game of Snake that I can play on this chat? If this works, I'm gonna like this more than GPT. No, text-based. Okay, what? Not graphical. So you can't even draw a picture? Draw a picture of a sun. Okay, this might be a limitation of Google then. Oh, wait, it's drawing something. I cannot create a playable game of Snake directly within our channel. My capabilities are text-based, and I don't have the graphical or need to run a real-time game. Okay, I see. So you can do images. Okay, that's fine. All right, let's go down this list here. Chat polls, we did that today. Congratulations. Chat challenges, running. Okay, we're using Gemini. Kind of like it so far. It's pretty quick. Actually, speaking of that, let's try two things. Let's grab a prompt that I was using earlier. How about this? Write me a code for a simple game of Snake. Let's see how long it takes to do this, actually. And I'm going to bring up another chat with GPT-5. All right. This has been about 5 seconds. Boom. Dang. Let's go. Okay, 5 seconds. I do think Google is faster. Let me actually ask ChatGPT a good prompt. Oh, and it's playing a game here. Oh man, Gemini is so much faster, like by a lot. That's crazy. Okay. Holy snappers. So I'm confused too. Like when either GPT or Gemini, how do I command them to show this preview without write me a code? Okay. Let me try the same thing for Tetris. Wow, that was quick. Gemini is way quicker than ChatGPT. So why are we paying for ChatGPT? So much faster, like by a lot. Did you see that? That was like literally 10 seconds and it displayed it. We're gonna have to move over to to Gemini. We're gonna upgrade. Give me the monies. All right, Tetris. Let's see how long it takes. This has been 4 minutes. All right. Boom! Dang! Let's go. 15 seconds and a playable game of chess. That's our Tetris. We need to move over to Gemini. Look how quick. Do you see how quick that was? Look at that. That was like 15 seconds. In the meantime, let's just say ChatGPT. Forget this. Too many people are using ChatGPT probably. I'm going to switch over to Gemini. Okay, let's check this out, guys. 25 seconds. Okay, so let's see. That literally took, I don't know, 15 seconds total. And it's like workable game of chess or Tetris. Oh man, we're moving. Let's see. I'm going to wait 15 seconds for here on GPT and see if it does anything. It's still writing code. Loser. Write me a code for a simple game of 3x3. If this works, I'm getting rid of ChatGPT. Write me a code for a simple game of 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Testing the limits here. All right, GPT is still going. Oh, no, it's not. But there's no code here. There's no display here. All right. Great question. It's complex rewarding. Here's blah, 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 blah. Now what do we do? Okay, this one. Show me Gemini. All right, I'm so excited. I got to figure out how to do this for tomorrow, but we'll try. Maybe what we should do is actually, oh, there it is. Did it do anything? Come on, drag and drop the rotate. Kind of, not really. Okay, good start. Maybe not. All right, well, that's actually, you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a prompt before we go because I'm now excited to test these different codes and I should be using different. I know. Okay, I'm going to do a few things. I'm going to create bookmarks for all AI models, and then I'm going to create a prompt to test all AI models. And let's just do that. Do one of these now, actually, and then do that, and we'll test Grok tomorrow. I'm so excited now. All right, create me a prompt that I can use to test different AI models. Have 3 tests ranging from simple to complex. I want to test ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, Perplexity, and then let's see what actually both of these people say. So there's maybe ChatGPT is actually listening to me because now it got fast all of a sudden. Simple reasoning, basically like if we have 3 red wells, okay, I like this. And I'm testing your capabilities across your levels, blah, 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 blah. Okay, I like that. 3 balls, something, blah, blah, blah. We'll try this tomorrow, guys. All right, simple tests. Explain the process of photosynthesis. Ooh, interesting. Okay. I don't know. We'll check these out tomorrow, guys. I'm very excited to use Gemini now. What are you paying for in Gemini? Maybe at the end of a week, I'll try all 4 of them and see which one is worth paying for. Create Hyperlink. Okay, get off. $0 for 1 month. Is it cancel anytime? Because I like those. Cancel at any time. Yes. We will do this tomorrow. All right, tomorrow. Stay tuned. That's a cliffhanger. We're gonna test out more models tomorrow. Okay, bye. Let's hope that this actually saves everybody.